Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Organic Maps without an internet connection. First, open the Organic Maps app. Before going offline, you need to download the map for the area you want to use. Tap on the menu and go to the Map Download section. Now search for your country or region and download the map you need. Once the download is complete, the map will be saved on your device. You can now turn off your mobile data or Wi-Fi and open Organic Maps again. Search for a place within the downloaded area, and you'll still be able to view the map and use navigation without an internet connection. Just keep in mind that you need to download the required map before going offline. If the area hasn't been downloaded, Organic Maps may not be able to provide the map data you need without an internet connection. And that's how you can use Organic Maps without internet. This video is made for educational purposes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more useful app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.